Exercise 1-4, question number 12. The function T, which maps temperature in Celsius C into temperature in Fahrenheit F, is defined by T of C is equal to F, where F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Find 1. T of 0, 2. T of 28, third. T of minus 10, 4. The value of C when F of T of C is equal to 212. 5. The temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Solution. Here an equation is given or function is given, T of C is equal to F. That equation can be taken here. Given T of C is equal to F. That F is also given. T of C is equal to F. That F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. It can be taken. T of C is equal to F. That F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Then first one. What is first question? Here we have to find T of 0. T of 0 should be found out. First one, T of 0. Here, T of C is given. T of C is given. Here we have to find T of 0. Very simple. Just substitute C is equal to 0. Just substitute C is equal to 0. Here, we can substitute C is equal to 0. Therefore, here, write 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. Instead of C, 0. 9 by 5 into 0. Any number into 0 is nothing but 0 plus 32. 0 plus 32 is 32. That means here this C is Celsius. Celsius means 0 degree Celsius. Here this 32 is Fahrenheit. Here F is Fahrenheit or T of C is Fahrenheit. Here C is Celsius. Here 0 degree Celsius becomes 32 degree Fahrenheit. Here 0 becomes 32. That means 0 degree Celsius C becomes, here this is F. Here 32 is F. 32 degree Fahrenheit. That means 0 degree Celsius becomes 32 degree Fahrenheit. It means 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Then second one. What is second? T of 28. T of 28. Here just substitute C is equal to 28. Here we can substitute C is equal to 28. That means 28 degree Celsius can be substituted here. Then we will get a Fahrenheit. Here T of 28 is equal to 9 by 5 into here 28 plus 32. And simplify. 9 into 28, 252 divided by this 5 plus 32. Here 252 divided by 5 is 50.4 plus 32. Then add. You will get 82.4. It means 28 degree Celsius becomes 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, here we can write that is 28 degree Celsius gives or equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Then third one. What is third one? T of minus 10. Here we can substitute C is equal to minus 10. 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. Here simplify. Here 5 and 10 can be simplified, can be cancelled. Therefore, we will get here 2. 9 into minus 2. 9 into minus 2 plus 32. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18 plus 32 is equal to 14. It means minus 10 degree Celsius becomes 14 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, here we can write that is minus 10 degree Celsius is equal to or gives 14 degree Fahrenheit. Now, third one is over. Then fourth one. What is fourth one? Here, find out the value of C when T of C is 212. T of C is given. Find out the value of C. Here Celsius should be found out. Here T of C or Fahrenheit is, here T of C means F. Both are same. That means Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is given. Find out Celsius. Here fourth one, T of C. Here T of C is nothing but given in our question. T of C is 9 by 5 C plus 32. T of C is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32 is equal to 212. It is given. Fahrenheit is given or T of C is given. Find out Celsius. Then simplify. 9 by 5 C is equal to, here 212 is there. Take this plus 32 to right side, becomes minus 32. Then subtract 180. Then here put C. Then take this by 5 to right side, becomes into 5. Here into 9. This is into 9. Into 9 becomes by 9 when it goes right side. Therefore C is equal to, here C is there. C is equal to 180 into 5 whole divided by 9. Then simplify. Here 180 divided by 9 is nothing but 20 into 5 is equal to 100. That means here this is Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit becomes 100 degree Celsius. It means 212 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Now fourth one is over. Then fifth one. What is fifth question? Fifth question is find the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Here we have to find the temperature or the value of temperature when Celsius value is equal to Fahrenheit value. Fifth one is nothing but given. C is equal to F. Here Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit is given, but F is given in our question. What is F? F is nothing but 9 by 5 C plus 32. Therefore, instead of F, we can write 9 by 5 C plus 32. But here Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal in fifth question. Therefore, here we can equate C is equal to F. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Then simplify. Here C is there. Put that C. Then take this tail. This 9 by 5 C to left side becomes minus 9 by 5 C is equal to, write this 32. Here this F is not needed. Here C should be taken. Then take this value to left side. Then write this one. Then simplify. Here we can cross multiply. We can multiply 7 into, C into 5C minus 9C whole divided by 5 is equal to 32. Then subtract 5C minus 4C is minus, 9C is minus 4C is equal to, here by 5 becomes into 5 when it goes right side. When it goes right side, then here multiply 32 into 5 is equal to 160. Here minus 4C is there, minus 4C. Then C is equal to, take this into 4 into minus 4 to right side becomes by minus 4. Here minus, here 160 is there, 160 divided by, here into minus 4 becomes by minus 4. Then divide. 160 divided by minus 4 is nothing but minus 40. Therefore, Celsius or the temperature is minus 40. It means the required temperature can be written as minus 40 degree. It means minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. It means in minus 40 degree Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal.